Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about the 5 lesser known iOS 26 features that will win you over. While the spotlight often shines on headline features like Apple Intelligence or the redesigned apps, iOS 26 also introduces a variety of smaller yet surprisingly useful upgrades that enhance everyday iPhone use. That said, let's get started. So first off, I would like to highlight the emoji game for Apple News Plus subscribers. The Apple News Plus now includes a fun and quirky emoji game for users in the US and Canada. This all-new edition challenges players to complete words and phrases using emoji, adding a playful twist to your news subscription. It's the fifth game added to Apple News Plus, joining Crossword Mini, Quartiles, and Sudoku, and it's a great way to take a quick mental break. And then I would like to highlight the weather via satellite. If you have ever needed a forecast while hiking, traveling, or camping in a remote area, you'll love this feature. Weather via satellite lets you access real-time weather updates even when you are outside Wi-Fi or cellular coverage. Though the feature isn't live yet, it was discovered in the iOS 26 beta code and is expected to roll out in a future update, perfect for outdoor adventures. And then I would like to take your attention to the custom ringtones without the GarageBand app. Previously created a custom iPhone ringtone often meant jumping through hoops with GarageBand app. Not anymore. In iOS 26, you can simply open an MP3 or M4A file under 30 seconds in the Files tab, then tap Share, then tap More and choose Use as Ringtone and you're all set. The new tone will appear in the Settings, Sounds and Haptics and Ringtone section, making customization a pretty simple affair. And then I would like to take your attention to the digital passport in the Apple Wallet app. iOS 26 expands digital ID support by letting users in the US add a digital version of their passport to the Apple Wallet app. This can be used at select TSA checkpoints for domestic flights and for age or identity verification in apps and stores. However, it's not valid for international travel. Apple assures it's secure, private, and Real ID compliant. And finally, I would like to take your attention to the Select option in Messages. Texting just got smarter. iOS 26 adds a Select option in the Messages app, letting you highlight and copy specific parts of a message bubble rather than the entire message. It's a small trick that makes a big difference in daily conversations. These lesser-known iOS 26 features may not grab headlines, but they significantly improve how you interact with your iPhone in subtle, thoughtful ways. And that's about it. Now that you have unlocked these pretty cool features, make the most of them to amp up your whole iOS experience, and I'll catch you up in the next one.